On the 24th of January, 6 p.m., we are having the Mumbai Mahanagar Samskrita Bharati Sangamaha. We are having I think a 1 or 2 hour program starting at 6 o'clock on 24th January. It, I think, is a Sunday. It is Sunday only, yeah. It's not, I think. 24th January Sunday. Every teacher, which is including me, is supposed to inform that to all my students, and every class there has to be some participation. So from every Patrachara Dwara class, from every Sambhashana class, from every Gita Sopanam class, from every Parichaya class, all the classes that are happening in Mumbai. In fact, a lot of you are not from Mumbai. 30 of my students in this class are not from Mumbai. But we want participation from every student. So please log in at 6 o'clock. The link has already been sent by Kiran Mahodaya last evening around 11:45 or so Indian time. He sent the link in both Sanskritam and English. It's a Zoom meeting on 24th, Sunday evening, 24th at 6 o'clock. Please join that. And from this group, I also want Kumar Mahodaya actually coordinate for that and the WhatsApp group later on. We also want some participation in terms of some katha, kavita, natakam or something from this class. So everybody can't participate because it's a 2-hour program and we have 1 hour session. In fact, there is something about Rama Mandira Taha Rashtra Nirmanam. There is a session on how do we build the nation through Ram Mandir. It's a very, very important thing. I don't know how many of you read it. Yesterday, the Prime Minister, the President of India, Dr. Sri Ramnath Kovindji, gave a check of 5,100,000 rupees for the Ram Temple Nirmanam. Is my voice audible? Just a check. Can somebody unmute and just tell me whether my voice is audible or not?
Audible. Very audible.
Yeah, so everybody please mute. I'll continue. So Sri Ramnath Kovind himself gave a check of 5,100,000 rupees from his own salary, from his own savings for the Ram Temple construction movement. And from yesterday till the 30th of this month, there is a massive drive by the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangham and the Vishwa Hindu Parishad for the construction of the Ram Temple. And Samskrita Bharati is also contributing for the Ram Temple construction. I want everybody in this class, I am telling you, everybody in this class to contribute to the Ram Temple movement. Every Hindu, every Bharatiyan has to contribute to the Ram Temple movement. There are coupons of 10 rupee, 100 rupee and 1000 rupee. And it will all be coming to you through not me, but from your neighborhood and locality. I am sure the Karyakartas there will come to you. Give 10 rupee, give 100 rupee, give 1000 rupee. But every brick in the Ram temple that is coming up at Ayodhya should have our name written on it. You know, the way the squirrels helped the monkeys or the Vanara Sena for constructing the Ram Setu from the Indian subcontinent to from the Indian mainland to the island called Sri Lanka. Every brick was written Ram, 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 Ram. We don't have to write our names. It is actually Ramaya Dadami. Aham Ramaya Samarpayami. Aham Ramaya Dadami. But at least let us have one brick in that grand temple that is coming from every Hindu in the world. So whenever somebody comes, please give as per your capacity, 10 rupee, 100 rupee, 1000 rupee. I can only guarantee you, if you give 10 rupee, it will multiply. If you give 100 rupee, depending on the capacity, the money will multiply. So don't think that, oh, I have 10 lakh rupees in my bank, but I will only give 1000 rupees for the Ram temple. Give 10,000 rupees. It is for such a great cause. Your 10,000 rupees, Rama will give you another 1 lakh rupees in your bank account. That is the power of Lord Ram. So everybody in this class has to contribute for the temple construction. In fact, about the temple construction, I will be doing a small session also in that program, about 10 minutes. How do we construct this nation? How do we rebuild this nation? This nation, we have been completely scrubbed. We have been scrubbed of all our ancient glorious past by the 70 years of a non-Hindu governments. So we have to change it. This is a time for India to strike back. We are constructing the Ram temple. That is a big sign of the Hindu resurrection in this country, and I want everybody to contribute for that great purpose. 10 rupee, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 1 crore, depending on the capacity. But please ensure that there is one brick in that temple in your name. Ramaya Samarpayami, Ramaya Dadami, Ramaya Chaturthi Vibhakti. That is about the Ram temple construction. But for the program on the 24th evening 6 o'clock. Please participate. Anybody who wants to do a session in that, depending upon the time, we'll try to accommodate maybe 2 or 3 minutes only. Some kada, kavita, shloka, parayanam, something. But what is taught in the class? Don't bring something from Ramayanam or Mahabhagavatam. What is taught in the class? Some simple Samskrita, Sarala Samskritam, if you know, if you can contribute in that particular program, it will be great. We will try to include that. You can let me know, or Kumar Mahadev will be coordinating for that. And I want everybody to participate. It is 24, 6 o'clock in the Indian time in the evening. Astu. I think it's clear, right? Is anybody having any doubt about what I said so far? Anybody having any doubt? Is my voice clear?
Voice very clear. No doubt.
Astu. So let us continue now. So please contribute to the Ram temple. Don't be stingy. Contribute as per your capacity. I told you, Danam Bogo Nashastistro. Gatayo Pavanti Vittasya. Yo na dadati na bungte. Tasya tritiya gatir bhavati. Give as per 100, 10,000, 10,000, depending capacity. There should be at least one brick in that Ram temple in your name. In your name for Rama. Don't write your name, it should be Rama's name only. But then Samarpayatu, Bahu Mukhyameva. Everybody in this class has to contribute for that. I'm not going to write repeated messages and all that. The local people will come and ask you for the help, for the support, but please support as per your capacity. Kumar Mahadev is not joined, but whatever he wanted to tell, I have already told that. So if he is not able to join, I will have to sort it out in the next class. Chaturthi Vibhakti. Now we will go into the Bahuvachana forms. Anybody has any doubt? Let me check before I go to the today. A lot of time has been gone in all this confusion, but I'm sorry. But then it was important. One lady from Andhra rupees 1 crore. Lalita G has written, one lady from Andhra Pradesh has given 1 crore. That is so heartening to hear. That is so heartening to hear, because if you have dhanam, please contribute. And I'm sure everybody has dhanam. Everybody in this class is rich. Everybody in this class is wealthy. So wealth that is a state of mind only. So give as per your capacity to the Ram temple movement. Let us now continue. A lot of time has already been spent in all these discussions, but then let us continue. I may extend after 9 o'clock because I don't want to take this chapter again in the next class. Whoever wants to log off after 9, please log off and then go and do a breakfast or whatever work you want to do, Karyalayam, etc. But I'll continue because the recording is there and you can see it later.
आगामी रविवासरे इत्युक्ते 24 दिनाङ्के एकं गोष्ठी अस्ति. तत्र सर्वे संस्कृत अनुरागिणः तत्र आगच्छन्ति, संभाषणं कुर्वन्ति. अतः अहं किं प्रार्थयामि, सर्वे अस्मिन् वर्गे एके सन्ति, सर्वे आगच्छेयुः इति. आगत्य तत्र भागं स्वीकरोतु इति. अहं किम् उक्तवान्, अन्यभाषायां वक्तव्यं वा? Should I talk in English or in Hindi? I think all could follow what I said.
संस्कृतेन वदतु महोदय.
Please,
संस्कृतेन वदतु महोदय.
संस्कृतेन वदतु महोदय. अस्तु, अहं किम् उक्तवान् संस्कृते इदानीम् उक्तवान्.
कंटिन्यू करोतु महोदय.
तत्र किम् अस्ति, प्रान्तकार्यक्रम तत्र एके संस्कृतं पठितवन्तः, ते तत्र प्रदर्शनं कुर्वन्ति, स्वस्य संस्कृतकौशल्यं प्रदर्शनं कुर्वन्ति. एतत् सर्वं सर्वे जनाः शृण्वन्ति चेत् किं भविष्यति, स्वस्य ज्ञानमपि वर्धते इति अहं वदामि. ज्ञानवर्धनाय अधिकाधिकं वयं भाषणं, संस्कृतभाषणं श्रोतव्यं. वयं यदा शृणुमः चेत् वयमपि तत् ज्ञातुं शक्नुमः. तदनन्तरमेव मुखात् शब्दाः पतन्ति. अतः अहं किं प्रार्थयामि, सर्वे जनाः कृपया आगच्छन्तु. आगामी रविवासरे 24 दिनाङ्के.
Just a minute, Kumar Mahodaya. Are people able to see Kumar Mahodaya?
आम महोदय आम
But you are not able to. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me try to switch off.
It's a bit
Kumar
blurred.
Mahathir,
It's a bit blurred,
No,
but we are able to see.
अच्छा
No, it is
No,
clear.
no.
It is very clear.
Very clear, sir.
now it's clear.
Very clear.
Okay. अतः तत्र सर्वे जनाः किञ्चित् भागं स्वीकरणीयम् इति अहं वदामि, अहं प्रार्थयामि, न वदामि, अहं प्रार्थयामि एव। सर्वे जनाः लघु लघु हास्यकणिकम् अथवा नाटकं यत्किमपि शक्यते तत्सर्वं तत्र प्रदर्शनं करोतु इति। अधिकाधिकजनाः आगच्छन्ति, अस्मिन् गणात् अपि सर्वे जनाः आगच्छन्ति चेत् सम्यक् भविष्यति। एतादृशम् अधिकाधिकं वयं द्रष्टव्यं, वयं शृण्मः चेत् सम्यक् भविष्यति इति अहं चिन्तयामि। मैं क्या बोला अभी तक, कोई बता सकता है?
आगामी रविवासरे there is a Sambhashana meeting.
That's a small meeting. It's not Sambhashanam. It is a meeting where all the Sanskrit Pandits, not only that, students also, those who are
अपि
studying.
संस्कृत विद्वान् आगमिष्यति.
बहु उत्तमं, बहु उत्तमम्।
अहम् एकं कथा या श्लोकं पठितुम् इच्छामि।
बहु उत्तमम्, आगच्छतु, कथा अपि पठतु, किञ्चित् हास्यकणिकम् अपि वदतु। आचार्य प्रसाद महोदय अस्ति, सः सम्यक् करोति। यत्किमपि यत्किमपि प्रदर्शयितुम् इच्छन्ति तेषां सहायं प्रसाद महोदय करोति निश्चयेन। नो चेत् अन्य किमपि सहायकम् आवश्यकं चेत् मया सह संपर्कं करोतु, अहं निश्चयेन करिष्यामि। अस्तु वा? मैंने क्या बोला? और कोई नहीं बता रहा है। हाँ रवि जी बताइए। हाँ बताइए।
He is on the mute.
हाँ?
Ravi ji, you are.
हाँ मैं क्या बोला कि 24 तारीख को आगे जो संडे जो है 24 तारीख को हमारा एक कार्यक्रम है, उसमें सब लोग आइए, सब लोग आकर अपना अपना जो वहां पर भाग लेने का है, और वो संस्कृत में होना चाहिए। वहां पर जो भाषण देने वाले हैं अतिथि जो है काफी बड़ा पंडित है। ऐसे बड़े बड़े लोगों का संभाषण हम सुनेंगे तो काफी अच्छा रहेगा। अभी मालूम पड़ेगा कैसा है संभाषण, हम खुद ही कर सकते हैं, उसमें बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं। इसीलिए मैं प्रार्थना करता हूँ सब लोग आइए, उसमें भाग कर लीजिए। छोटा श्लोक बता सकते हैं, श्लोक से ज्यादा संभाषण करने में अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि संभाषण करने में वो क्या है, हमारे लिए एक अभ्यास हो जाता है। अभ्यास होने से क्या होता है, हमें आगे संभाषण के लिए काफी अच्छा उसका फायदा होता है। संभाषण करते समय हम जो भी शब्द प्रयोग करते हैं उसका अच्छा ज्ञान मिल जाता है। श्लोक में क्या होता है, वो बनी बनाई चीज है, उसमें हम पढ़ते हैं, खाली उसमें मेमोराइजिंग है। बट संभाषण में क्या है, हमें उसको पढ़कर समझकर उसका अर्थ जानकर उसको कहाँ कैसे प्रयोग करना है और कौन सा स्थिति में हम प्रयोग कर सकते हैं, और कहाँ पर कोई हास्य मूड में प्रयोग कर सकता है, कोई विषय दूसरों को बताने के लिए प्रयोग कर सकता है, कोई
वर्गे बहवः छात्राः सन्ति ये हिंदी भाषा न जानन्ति, भवान संस्कृत में
मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, what I'm telling is if all are able to come on 24th, I would request everyone to come on 24th. because on that day, the main speaker is a wonderful speaker. He is going to talk in Sanskritam, and a lot of people are going to participate by talking in Sanskritam only. And how this is going to help us? If we go on listening as much as possible the speeches in Sanskritam, our own knowledge on Sanskritam will increase. And that will help us a lot. We can read Slokam, but the thing is, it's only we are reading it. We are not analyzing it. Whereas, when we are going to talk in Sanskritam, small jokes or instances or a conversation, what happens is, we understand the word, we assimilate, and we use that word for different occasions. This is the knowledge we are going to get. That knowledge is going to give us a wisdom of using the word at different occasion on different places for different purpose. So that's why the conversation is more welcomed and preferred. But it doesn't mean that it is not a must, but it is preferred. The reason is, it will help us in our own conversation as much as possible. Just the way we are going to tell the small child, talk, 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 talk. Because when the child is at the age of 2, we say talk. Why? Because the reason is, more the talk the child does, more the knowledge he gets, and more the utilization. He talks and he goes on hearing. Like that, we have to hear. We are all small children. As far as Sanskrit is concerned, we are all small children. We have to listen as much as possible the Sanskrit conversation. That will help us a lot, and that will also give us a joy, because when we are going to read some article or something, we understand directly from the scripture instead of going through a via media like Hindi or English or any translation job. In translation, what happens is, the person who is translating is going to put his mind into the words and explaining where it gets influenced. Whereas we are going to try, read everything directly from Sanskritam, and we are going to understand. We get a direct knowledge from that, which is pure knowledge, which is not a polluted knowledge. So, for acquiring that, we have to talk in Sanskritam. For talking in Sanskritam, we have to listen in Sanskritam. They talk in Sanskritam. And how to listen from whether we understand or not, we should not bother about it. Like the child. When the child is there, we say, come, by showing the hand direction. Afterwards, we don't show the hand. We just smile and we say, come. The child understands. At the age of 2 or 3 or 3, he understands and he starts reacting to it. Sometimes in a very jovial way, sometimes in a very agitated way. So like that, we are also, as far as Sanskrit is concerned, we are all children. Let us listen maximum as much as possible, and we can definitely talk in Sanskrit. So what my request is, kindly, all of us, we need to come to there. All of us, please come. And as far as possible, as many as possible, please participate in that. For that, Prasad Mahodaya is there, Acharya ji is there. He will definitely help, because he has got very good knowledge and he is virtually devoted. And in case you want any other help, you can kindly talk to me directly. My phone number, I would request Prasad ji to share. He will definitely share, and anything you want, we can get the help. But my request is, kindly talk in Sanskrit. Please participate, all of us. We are expecting more than 500 people. So please come. And this is my request, kindly come. It is an opportunity to learn the utilization of the language. Now we are all reading Gacchati. Now how many forms of this word, Gham Dhatu, is being used, under what context we can understand when people talk. Let us not worry whether we understand the meaning or not, because what happens is, the meaning is understood with the back and forth words and the sound. We always hear this sound, and as far as possible, we can understand. That's what I'm sure. Because with the way teaching is going on, Acharya is teaching, we can really understand, because the way he is virtually putting a practical application in imparting the knowledge. So that knowledge, imparting of that knowledge can be utilized, can be tested only when we are going to talk in some system. So with this, I conclude my speech. Thank you all for listening to me. I am really obliged for allowing me to come. Acharya ji, thank you. It's a great opportunity to talk with everyone.
आचार्यजी प्रसादेव वदतु। धन्यवादः महोदय।